everyone, this is Joe, the how-to guy for Ostrich beach chairs. Today we have a backpack 3-in-1 woody model. And we've had some customers send us emails telling us that the footrest on our 3-in-1 models doesn't stay up. Well, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the problem and show you exactly how to fix it. This slide lock hinge has no mechanical components, so it's almost impossible for it to fail. What it does do is it slides in and out, as you see here. And when you slide it in and out, there are teeth that rest in a locking position. There's also a tooth that holds the hinge. You can see it right here. That it will not allow that to fall. If you find that this movement is too easy, there's a screw and a nut right here in the center of your hinge. Just tighten this up. That will help restrict the movement of this hinge so that it becomes much harder to pop out of its current resting position. Now, also with this hinge, if you find that the set screw or nut is a little too tight and it's tough to get the chair to then collapse, just loosen it a little bit to free up the motion. Guys, I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video.